Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the students are prepared mentally to speak on the topic of rainy season and summer season. The seasons are very important and significant. They play an important role in our lives. And this video will help you to speak English sentences and it will teach you to speak English words and sentences fluently. And let us start now. Karishma, stand up and speak on the topic of rainy season.
I am Karishma. Currently I read in class 8. So I am going to speak about of rainy season. Rainy season is the blessing for agriculture, water level, and all of us. Rain is bliss for farmer. Farmer are dependent upon rainwater. Rainwater is the natural irrigation source from their farmers. There are many types of season like rainy season, winter season, summer season. Thanks.
I'm Shivanshi Yadav. Currently, I am doing graduation. Rainy season is a blessing for agriculture, and rainy season is a best and rainy season irrigation a best source of the best irrigation for the farms. And rainy season is a start of month June and continuous of August. And I don't like rainy season because water is collect place to place. Thanks.
Hand over to stand up and speak.
I am Jyoti Kumari. Currently, I study in class 9. Today, I am going to speak about rainy season. Rainy season is very good season, and rainy season is my favorite season. And in rainy season, crop season is also called Rabi season, because in Rabi season, paddy crops are grown, and rainy season come in the month of June and end up to October. Thanks.
I'm going to speak firstly my introduction. I am Deepika Khaddo. Currently I read in class 7th. Today I am going to speak rainy season topic. Rainy season is very good and very important. I don't like rainy seasons. There are many types of season like rainy season, winter seasons. Its wings rainy season. Its wings June and ends in September. It is ends and September's. It is known as monsoon season. Rainy season is very good.
I am Riya Raj from Azamgarh. Today I am going to speak. Rainy season topic. Rainy season is a pleasant season. In this time, rainy season is running, and rainy season very good. And I like rainy season. And farmer very happy rainy season, and they saw crops in the field, and rainy season is very good. Thanks.
Yeah, hand over to her.
I am Nanya Yadav. Currently, I read in class 8. I am going to speak rainy season topic. The rainy season is the blessing agriculture for agriculture, water level, and for all of us. Rain bless farmer. Farmer are depend water. Rainwater is best for irrigation source for irrigation. Rainy season is very good, and there are many types of season. I don't like rainy season. I like winter season.
Yeah, hand over to her.
I am Deepika Khaddo. Currently I read in class 6. Today I am going to speak about rainy season topic. Rainy season is very good and very important. Rainy season is my favorite season. Rainy season is very important season. There are many types of season like rainy season, winter season, summer season. Thanks.
Yeah. How many students like rainy season? Raise your hands. You like rainy season? Yeah. Rainy season helps the farmers, okay? And it is very helpful for the farmers particularly. Okay. Now, because you will speak on the topic of summer season. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And when you will speak, you will care on your sentences and pronunciation, and these pronunciations and sentences must be correct and good.
Yes, sir. I'm Mikasa Sadhu. Currently, I am reading class 8th. Summer is the hottest of the whole temperature season according after spring and before autumns. At our center on summers, society daylight hours are longest and drinkness hour are shortest. Will day length decrease as the season progress after the society? Thanks.
Okay. Shivang, stand up and speak.
I'm Shivanga. Currently, I'm reading class 9. Today, I'm speak about summer season. Summer season very hot season, and summer season start in March and ends in
Not hot season,
hot season.
it's very hot.
It's very hot, and summer season is start in March and ends in June, and May is very hot season hot season, and during
June is the hottest month.
and June is very hot season, and during the summer season the nights are shorter and the day are very longer, and in the summer season people drink a cold item like cold drink and juice, etc. Thanks.
Hand over to him.
I am Saksham Madhav. Currently, I read in class 9th. I am going to speak about the summer season. Summer season is very good, and I like summer season. In summer season, before the summer season is the winter season. After summer season is the rainy season. In summer season, the June is the hottest month, and summer season is the very hottest.
Now, you are improving yourself gradually, and when you will work hard towards English, then your performance also will be better. Okay, and gradually you are working better, and when we will do practice many times, and when we will be busy to read English, and will do practice again and again, then your performance will be better, and you will feel better. Okay, thank you.